Firstly, on behalf of Datang Tokedo Power Plant as well as Emerson Process Management, I would like to thank the judges for selecting this project. This project is a very unique project. It starts a new trend in China where there had been a frenzy of putting up new power plants over the past several years. As we are all aware, several new coal facilities have been built at a very rapid pace in China. But now that market is maturing, those power plants are now realizing the importance of environment, and several new projects are being implemented in China for making the environment much better. And this is one of the very first and very unique project where the use of software tools is being made in terms of implementing the plant performance improvement as well as efficiency improvement programs on the plant controls. So Emerson Process Management has been associated with this project for a long time, and we are very proud that we have achieved some very good results in terms of helping this plant, making the environment better, as well as at the same time saving hundreds and thousands of dollars every year in terms of fuel saving, as well as in terms of the penalties that they would have paid if they did not had a good performance of the plant. They are able to run up their plant in much efficient manner in their faster ramp rates and faster increase of load is possible with this implementation. So we are very proud of being associated with this project, and we hope many and more projects in China, particularly because there are several coal plants which need this, will adapt this technology as well as start propagating this trend further into other stations. Thank you very much for this opportunity once again.